Hi everybody, it's so good to be back. I'm so glad to get out of box plots and line whiskers and all that good stuff, and we're going to go straight into circle graphs. So this is lesson 72, solving problems in circle graphs, and I'm going to try this a little bit differently so it looks like you're looking at it straight up and down. This is going to be a little awkward for me to write on, but that's okay. I'll do what I have to make it easy for you guys. All right, so we know what circle graphs are. We deal with circle graphs all the time, but let's just break it down and kind of understand it a little bit more. So a circle graph shows how a set of data is divided into parts. Okay, so you know when you look at a circle graph, it's always going to be divided into those different parts. But we also know that this whole circle is going to be 100% of the data. The whole circle, if I was to add every one of these up, would equal out to 100%. Each of the sections of the circle represents one part of the data set. Okay, data is most often given as percents. Circle graphs are sometimes called pie charts. What's your favorite pie? I'm gonna have to say lemon meringue or probably a chocolate pie. I don't know. Sounds good. I may have to make one later. All right, so let's look at our scenario. 300 students were surveyed and asked their favorite color. The circle graph shows the data. Calculate how many students choose each color. So here I have blue at 39%, red at 29%, green at 19%, and yellow at 13%. So all I'm going to do is write a what? A ratio for each one. Oh, well, we know how to do that. That's just putting that number over 100. So if I look at yellow, my yellow shows I have 13%. Well, that's just an easy putting 13 over 100. Same thing with green. Green is 19%. That's going to be 19 over 100. Blue is 39%. And that's going to be 39 over 100. And then red is 29%. And that'll be 29 over 100. All right, we've done the hardest part. We've done the ratio. Okay, so now step 2 states that we need to set up and solve a proportion to find the number of students in each color. Okay, so let's start with yellow. We know that we've already set our ratio up, so we know that this is going to be 13 over 100. Okay, it told us that 300 is our number of total students. So I know that over here is going to be my 300. Well, what times 100 is going to give me 300? You're right, 3. So whatever I do to the top, I'm going to do to the bottom. So then 13 times 3 gives me 39. So there are 39 students that like the color yellow. Green, let's go ahead and do green. So 19 over 100. We know it's going to be 3 over 3 because we're continuing the same thing because we know this has to be 300 on the bottom. And when we go 19 times 3, we get 57. All right, blue. We have 39 over 100 times 3 over 3 because once again, we know our total is 300. So then we're going to go 39 times 3 and get 117. And then red is 29 over 100. And once again, we know that our total over here is 300, but 29 times 3 is 87. So 87 kids liked red, but 117 liked blue. And I can't believe only 57 kids liked my green. Oh my goodness, what are we going to have to do about that? Okay, so on your assignment, go ahead and do your circle graphs, your pie charts, and read them carefully. You'll have several, and I will talk to you soon. I love you guys, and I hope this works, and It was easier for you to follow. You like my ranch style beans? Yep, that's what I use. I have 3 of them. It is hilarious. All right, bye guys.